What time is it? Spy time. What time is it? Spy time. Any traders in the house? Whoop, 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 whoop. Any traders in the house? Do you remember that? Do you remember any of that chant? And of course, I changed the words. But which football player had a chant similar? After he would come out, he would dance his way out onto the field. He had a very individualized dance that we all know if you like pro football. Then he would lead his team in some words before the game, and he would always say, "Any doggies in the house?" Woo, 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 woo. With much more enthusiasm. But we are tuning in live here. It is 2:56 p.m., 4 minutes until ring-a-ding, ding, ding, ding. And the SPY is acting a little crazy. Just keeps going back and forth, up and down. Trading right now in between a range of about 411.35 and 411.10-ish. I was hoping that it would green its way up just a little bit so we can get a call credit spread off. I've got the old page up here on the Robinhood. Is 14 days to expiration trade. That would be a May 23rd expiration. And I was actually, I don't know if I should do it or not. I was actually getting a little giddy thinking about maybe doing a 420 down here. It's an 83% chance of profit. 20 delta. It's got a 104, 103 on the credit. And I was looking at maybe, I don't know, $2 to $3 wide on the call credit spread. And it looks like, yep, it looks like SPY is going under 411 as we speak. So that doesn't help my cause, does it? It does not. It does not help my cause at all. We got CPI numbers coming out tomorrow. Let's see here. Tomorrow is Wednesday, May 10th. Consumer Price Index 8:30 a.m. So that'll be 7:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Core CPI year over year, and the core CPI year over year as well. So we're not going to get the terms that we were looking at when I was checking out the SPY over here at 411.83 because we're currently nearly $1 less. Oh, breaching back over 411. And what do our numbers look like on that spread? 106, 105. Oh, still, that's pretty good numbers. Pretty good numbers. Showing a very low volatility of under 12%. When's the last time SPY traded at 420? PayPal earlier, and I was about to pull the trigger on that. And I'm like, do I want to own PayPal? No. Then why put on a put credit spread if eventually you do not want to own it? I just think it's one of those stocks that's an overreaction because of earnings, and there could be some dollar bills to be made. Let's go to year to date on SPY, and it was as low as 385, as high as 417-ish, 416, 417. So it hasn't traded at 420 this entire year. Not sure why things would be any different coming up. I don't think any great news is going to be reported anytime soon. I can't see that the CPI is coming out tomorrow and it's going to be like, oh my gosh, inflation is now so much under control. Don't think that's going to happen. So what do we got here? 410.91. And it looks like it's oversold, so it should be going up any moment now. It's at 25 RSI. I apologize. So is it going to try to make its way back up? It looks like it might be trying to. Let's get that thing up over 411. What you say? Let's go like really crazy, like 411.25. Keep it going now. Keep it going. Hello. Did you stop? Now, apparently I could still trade this over on the Robinhood. It's at 410.93. If you see up here on the left-hand side, 410.91. And what are our numbers? On the 420, we're at 105. So we got just close to a 40-cent credit on a $2 wide strike. Okay, we're up to 411 now. Let's see what this would look like. Just $2 wide. We'd only have to go like 3 contracts to get us over $100. We'd probably have to go at the 41 though if we want to get it filled right here and right now. Let's review that. It's only going to be $600 collateral. Call credit spread May 23rd, 14 days to expiration. And it's filled. Okay, so there we have it, $123 credit on $600 collateral. So just straight up, if that trade goes exactly in our favor, take 3 and divide by 600, that's a 20% return on collateral. But as you know, I like to close them out a little early once they get to 50% plus of into the profit and or $100 plus on the actual net profit, then I like to close them down. Close them down. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at our SPY positions that are currently open. We have 4 positions open with a total collateral of 11,500. And the most, so I'd have 2 of them at the 420. So I've got 2 of them at 420. This one's even way riskier because it's $10 wide, 5 credit spreads. So that's $5,000 of that 11,500 in collateral right there. So I will update my SPY spreadsheet right here. It's just about up to date. It is just about up to the date. Let's see here. Get that internet fired up. Where are you at? There it is. So today is what, the 9th? Oh, where are you going? Okay, so today is Tuesday, so I need to insert 2 days worth of trades. The 8th and the 9th, today and yesterday. So I don't think I've closed any in the today, or I know I didn't close any today. I don't think I closed any yesterday, but I will update this spreadsheet and see where we stand because we're doing pretty good. And I know that these types of trades work until they don't. So we'll keep working it. We've just started. Our first trade was on April 13th, the 14-day to expiration investment theory. If you look down here at the sum, it's at $3,231 and it's less than a month. So that is our net currently on that. It'll be a little less based on what's on the board because I'll probably close all of them early once they're enough into the profit. But there we have it. There is our SPY trade of the day. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're having a marvelous day on this glorious. It's nice and sunny. It's sunny here in the farm fields of Valparaiso, Indiana. And I hope to join you in the next video.